As the golden rays of the sun kiss the lush green field, the roar of thousands of fans fills the air. The cricket stadium stands tall, a magnificent arena where dreams are made and legends are born. The sound of drums, whistles, and chants echoes across the stands as passionate supporters wave their flags high, their hearts pounding in rhythm with the excitement of the game about to unfold. This isn't just a stadium, it's a temple of emotion, a battleground of skill, and a symbol of unity that brings millions together under one sky. Every corner of the stadium tells a story. The perfectly mowed pitch at the center, glowing under the lights, becomes the heart of the action. The moment the first ball is bowled, time seems to stop. Every spectator holds their breath, every eye locked on that little red or white ball. The bowler charges in with fierce determination, the batsman stands poised, and the crowd explodes with every swing, every run, every boundary. It's not just a game, it's an experience that captures the soul of every cricket lover around the world. From the giant floodlights towering above to the vibrant electronic scoreboards flashing stats and replays, the atmosphere is electric. The sound of a perfectly timed cover drive slicing through the field is music to every fan's ears. The thud of the ball hitting the bat, the rush of the players sprinting between the wickets, the cheers of the crowd rising in unison, it's pure magic. Cameras flash, commentators shout with passion, and people at home feel as if they're right there in the stands, living every moment of glory. As the match progresses, tension builds. The crowd goes silent for a moment, then erupts again when a wicket falls or a six sails over the boundary. Faces painted with team colors light up, drums beat louder, and the wave of celebration rolls through the sea of fans. Every run feels like a heartbeat, every over a chapter in a thrilling story that no one wants to end. The energy is contagious, spreading from the players to the fans, from the stadium to the world beyond. The smell of popcorn, roasted peanuts, and snacks fills the air as vendors move through the aisles, shouting in excitement. Children sit on their parents' shoulders, waving miniature flags, their eyes wide with wonder as they watch their heroes perform. The announcer's voice booms across the loudspeakers, building anticipation for every new over. The rhythmic chants of the crowd, "Let's go team," become a song of hope and pride that resonates across the entire ground. As the sun sets, the stadium transforms into a dazzling spectacle of light. The pitch gleams under the floodlights, and shadows dance across the outfield. The players' whites shine brightly, and the crowd glows with the reflection of the giant screens displaying every moment in crystal clarity. It feels as if the entire universe has gathered here, in this one place, to witness the beauty of cricket in its purest form. Every ball becomes a story of pressure, courage, and brilliance. The bowler adjusts his line, the batsman calculates his move, and the fielders stay alert for the next big moment. The captain shouts orders, strategizing every delivery, while the fans scream encouragement. Then comes that one magical delivery, a swing, an edge, and the ball flies toward the boundary. The crowd leaps to its feet, shouting in celebration as the scoreboard lights up with another 4 runs. But cricket isn't just about boundaries and wickets, it's about emotions. It's the look of determination in a player's eyes, the sweat dripping down after a long spell, the sportsmanship shared in a handshake. It's about nations uniting in love for the game, people forgetting their differences, and coming together to cheer for excellence. Inside the stadium, there's no divide, only the shared joy of being part of something bigger than oneself. As the match reaches its final overs, the excitement becomes almost unbearable. The target is close, the tension is high, and the entire crowd stands in anticipation. One shot could change everything. The batsman takes his stance, the bowler begins his run-up, and in that heartbeat of silence before the delivery, every person in the stadium forgets to breathe. The ball is bowled, the bat swings, and time freezes. Then, a thunderous crack, the ball soars high, and it's gone. A massive six to seal the victory. The stadium erupts into a storm of cheers, flags, and fireworks. The players embrace, smiles lighting up their faces as confetti fills the air. The crowd's energy is unmatched, some cry, some dance, and others simply stand in awe of what they've witnessed. The winning team takes a lap of honor, waving to their fans, while children imitate their favorite players, dreaming of one day playing on this very ground. The stadium shines brighter than ever, alive with emotion, pride, and triumph. Long after the final ball has been bowled and the fans have left, the echo of cheers still lingers in the air. The empty seats and the silent field hold memories of the day's battle, the laughter, the tension, and the magic. Under the soft glow of the lights, the cricket stadium stands tall and proud, a monument to the spirit of the game, waiting patiently for the next roar, the next cheer, the next unforgettable moment. Because every cricket stadium is more than just concrete and grass, it's a living, breathing heart that beats with the rhythm of millions of fans. It's where heroes rise, dreams come alive, and the beautiful game of cricket writes its timeless stories again and again.